In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to watch pages in Confluence. If you work in Confluence, watching pages is the simplest way to stay on top of edits and discussions without constantly checking back. You'll get notified when something changes, so you can respond quickly and keep projects moving. Here's how to set it up in a clean, reliable way. First, open the specific Confluence page you want to follow. At the top right, look for the three dots, also known as the More Actions menu. Click it, and then choose Watch Settings. This opens the place where you'll decide exactly what to follow. Depending on your Confluence layout or permissions, this menu might look slightly different, but the Watch Settings option is what you're after. Next, choose the scope that makes sense for your work. If you pick Watch this content, you'll only get updates for the page you currently have open. This is great for single documents or pages you own. If you select Watch Child Items, you'll receive updates for this page and all of its subpages, which is perfect for a main project page that branches into specs, meeting notes, or task lists. And if you choose Watch All Content in this space, you'll get updates for every page within the entire space. Ideal for small teams or when you're overseeing a full initiative. As a helpful rule of thumb, use Watch Child Items for a page with lots of subpages. It keeps you informed without overwhelming you with notifications from an entire space. By the way, because Confluence is a web-based tool, I've added a direct link to it at the very top of the description so you can jump right in and follow along. When you've made your selection, click Save if you're prompted. That's it. Your watch preferences are now set. From here on, you'll receive notifications when changes happen to the pages you chose. Depending on your Confluence and email preferences, those alerts may appear as in-app notifications, emails, or both. If you ever feel like you're getting too many updates, simply return to the same watch settings and adjust your choice to narrow the scope, or turn off watching for that page or space. To recap, open the page, head to the More Actions menu, choose Watch Settings, pick the level of detail you want, and save. With just a few clicks, you'll stay effortlessly up to date on the work that matters most. Thanks for watching.